Happy Mole Day, everybody. So, today is actually a national holiday for chemistry people, for scientists and those chemistry students. Mole Day is celebrated on October 23rd from 6:02 a.m. to 6:02 p.m. every year. So, hopefully, you've already been celebrating. The American Chemical Society sponsors Chemistry Week to fall on the week of October 23rd. So not only is it National Mole Day today, but it's also National Chemistry Week, and it has been all week long. So every year there are themes, and I don't come up with these, somebody else does. But so this year's theme for Mole Day is Molezilla. They always have like a punny name for it. And then the theme for National Chemistry Week is sticking with chemistry. So it's all about like adhesives and glue and slime and all that kind of stuff. So why today? Why October 23rd? It is the official day because it's part of what is called Avogadro's number, which is 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. We haven't used this number yet, but we will be using it in chapter 10. Okay, so we're just a little early with this number. So the reason why we like scientific notation, this is just a great example, the times 10 to the 23rd power means that we would need that many zeros after the number if we didn't have it there. But since it's 10 to the 23rd, October is the 10th month, and today is the 23rd day, that's where we get today's date from. So, like I said, this year's theme is Molezilla. Here are some examples of previous themes. Last year was Despicable Me, instead of like Despicable Me, right? And then Molly Potter was a couple years ago. 2 years ago, I have a t-shirt actually of this one. Molevengers, Mole Wars, May the Moles be with you instead of May the Force be with you for Star Wars. Periodic table of elements. So these are just a few of the past Mole Day themes. So what we're going to do today is we're going to have some fun. We're going to learn a little bit about the mole, and then we are going to do an activity at the end. So maybe have some guacamole today because Avogadro sounds like avocado. So that would be funny. But these are just some memes for you to look at. So a mole, and I'm going to have you watch a video to learn more about this because I think they do a better job than I do right now explaining for today. But it is an SI unit, just like we have meters or kilograms or seconds, and we will be using it starting in chapter 10 and for the rest of the year. But a mole, it's hard for people sometimes to realize how much a mole is because it has to do with the numbers from the periodic table, specifically the atomic mass numbers. So if you look at carbon on your periodic table, it has the atomic mass of 12.011 grams, or atomic mass unit. So we would say that that is how many grams of carbon equal 1 mole, or 1.008 grams of hydrogen is in 1 mole. So the mole relates all of the elements on the periodic table together. And so that's another reason why we're still going to be looking at our periodic tables the rest of the year. And we always have to throw in Rufus, the naked mole rat, right? So I hope you have a wonderful mole day, however you decide to celebrate. What you will do today is you will watch the video that I have linked. It will explain a little bit better about the mole. And then there is an assignment on It's Learning that you'll answer some questions that you should get the answers from either this video or the TED Talk video about the mole. And then I have this article linked because maybe you want to make some slime today. That's what we're doing in class. So I have this and it gives some instructions after it explains a little bit more about slime, since National Chemistry Week is all about adhesives and glue, and you make glue, use slime to make glue, use glue to make slime. Excuse me, sorry. It's pretty early this morning. And so we're going to be making this today. Normally we make slime on Halloween, but it ties in perfectly with what Mole Day and National Chemistry Week are. So we're changing things up a little bit. And, you know, we can't do our normal things that we would do. So I hope you have a wonderful Mole Day. Good luck. Have a great day and have a great weekend.